recordings are disco wale kisko, but we're not going to disco until the two of you maybe teach each other one step that one desi beat pe.
One desi beat, ma'am.
One desi beat.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਿਖਾਓ।
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ?
ਅਸੀਂ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ।
नहीं, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ।
नहीं, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ।
नहीं, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ। Gents first.
ओके फाइन। कौन सा वाला करेंगे मैम?
कौन सा भी आपका दिल
आप
करे?
बताइए।
कोई देसी बीट मुझे दिखा दो।
देसी बीट मैं कहाँ से देसी?
अच्छा मैं नेचुरल। ये टेक्निका। This comes from Shamak.
Yes, this well.
From Shamak. And you teach me a step.
मैं आपको एक स्टेप वो वाला सिखाता हूँ मैं आपको। दब बीजा, हैंड पंप है, दब बीजा, हैंड पंप है, दब बीजा। दुनिया भरंगी स्यापा है, फिक्र ही गम का पापा है, अपना तो बस ये जापा है, फिक्र जाए फुकरे, सिंगम है चप्पी जा, हैंड पंप है सब बीजा, लाइफ का दूसरा कट्टी जा, फिक्र जाए फुकरे।
So often you rehearse before you do a song like Disco Wale Kisko?
If it's Rani, she starts rehearsing a month before.
No, not exactly. I think it depends upon how difficult the steps are in a song. Like I think the music video that we shot, I think I rehearsed, I don't remember, but I definitely rehearsed for about 5-6 days. And for Disco Wale Kisko, we had about 2-3 days, and we rehearsed for 2-3 days for Disco Wale Kisko.
And if this is what they can do in 2-3 days.
Wow, imagine what they'd be able to do in a month.
Yeah.
Wait, Shahid, this question for you really. Now, the music video, you see Rani in this glamorous avatar, wearing these bikini tops, something that the audiences haven't seen her do before. When you saw her come on set like that, what was your first reaction?
I was whistling. I was whistling throughout, hoping that she'll whistle looking at me also. That didn't happen because they didn't let me wear the bikini tops.
Now, what are the occasions when you all want to scream, Harippa?
Now, right now.
No.
Dil bole Harippa! What other occasions should one scream Harippa?
I think when they go watch the movie, when they come outside of the film,
I
and I
think
hope
whenever you're
that
happy.
after they see the film, and they're very happy, and out of happiness they scream Harippa. Does every song have a running theme of, you guys sparring at each other?
No, not at all actually. In fact, even this song, Disco Wale Kisko, is not really something that we are confronting each other. I think it's more flirtatious. I think Shahid and me are flirting in the song and basically just trying to, give each other a hard time. But actually the point is that we both are attracted to each other in the song, and that's why we keep giving each other these looks. The looks. Yeah.
There is aggression which comes from romance.
Romance. So I guess it's that. I don't think there is a confrontation going on actually. Is Rani easy to flirt with?
Is she easy to flirt with? I think she's one of the easiest heroines to flirt with because she's so good at what she does. She's brilliant at what she does. It's so easy to work with her.
But was she never intimidating? Was she never intimidating?
No, I think that's because she made an effort not to be. She can be because of the actress that she is, because of the work that she's done, because of all that we know about her and the star that she is. But she always made me feel very, very comfortable. Extremely comfortable. मुझे बड़ा मजा आया.
Rani, what about you? What are the changes that you've seen in Shahid? Like, you've never acted opposite him, but what are the changes that you've seen
I
over
think
the
I've
years?
seen all his films, mostly all his
You
films
have
actually.
not seen Kamine,
But you haven't shown me Shahid.
Kamini is the big one.
No, but I've seen him grow as an actor from strength to strength with each film, and especially in the last 3 years, there's a huge transformation in Shahid in terms of the way he's performing. And I hear that he's excellent in Kamine. In fact, when I first saw the promos of Kamine on air, I remember telling Shahid when I met him that, my God, Shahid, you're looking so hot. And also the dialogue promos that I saw in the promos, I think
in the promos it looks as if he's done a brilliant job.
चल चल सड़कों पे होगी ठैन ठैन
What I really liked about Shahid is that he's really focused when he's working. He's very sincere, and that's a quality that I kind of appreciate in my co-star. And really, it was one quality that I really liked in Shahid.
So
It became
many
easier for me.
compliments.
It became easier for me to kind of work with him because when you have a good actor in front of you, the action reaction is much better. He's reacting to my lines much better, so that I can give my reaction again to him in a much better way. So I think the chemistry then works, when both actors are working together.
You from English?
Yeah, I'm from England, yeah.
I Indian from the Punjab.
वैसे मुझे हिंदी भी आती है.
I genuine English. This sugary, black Veslo.
Hey, Veera Kaur. You always like this jhalli pulli, or today some special occasion giving the competition to the black Heslo?
You think you're very jokey?
So many compliments for you, Shahid. You want to return those compliments and say,
I just well, first of all, what happens is that I feel that I'm not really qualified to pass judgment on Rani, because I think what she's achieved is far beyond. I mean, we'd all love to have a career like hers. She's really done such brilliant work as an actor, and I've always said this. I think she's a complete heroine. She's a wonderful dancer. She's a fabulous actor. She's in the best shape of her life. She has unbelievable focus towards her work. She has the enthusiasm of somebody who's doing maybe their first film. So really, it's really been an absolute pleasure working with her, and I'm sure I'll take away a lot as an actor, having worked with her in the same frame, and maybe be able to teach a few heroines कि यार थोड़ा ऐसे होता है. No, I'm serious. It's really wonderful working with her.
it's not just the movie that you work together, and we've also played cricket in the movie. We
Yeah.
come back to the cricket
Okay.
right after this.
Break. Haripa break.